Really, this week, if we can sum it up, it was all about working as a team, working with each other's strengths so that we can easily spread the gospel to others. Be committed, being persistent in prayer, and just focus, use our time wisely as Paul did. Paul, it didn't matter where he was. In prison, he will write letters. People will come visit him. He will give them messages. He spread the gospel wherever he was. We can do that today. We are called. We are saved for a reason, for a purpose. And the purpose is to spread the gospel far and wide. May God bless you and protect you. Amen.